So I'm going to show you how to find live videos to watch on YouTube. And I'm going to be doing this on the mobile app. So if you want to find some random live videos to watch, you can just launch YouTube, and from the homepage, there's a menu at the top there. So you can just scroll through that menu. There's going to be different categories. You're looking for live. Okay. And if you find it, just tap on it, and that's going to show you some live videos that are live streaming right now that you can absolutely start watching immediately. Now, on top of that, if you want vertical live videos, then you simply go back to the home screen and then go to all and then open any short video. So for instance, if I open that short video, if I tap on that video to pause it, you will see another menu at the top here, and then you can tap on live. And then that's going to show you some vertical live videos that you can watch on YouTube. These are all random. Now, of course, if you want to watch a live video from a specific creator, you just need to go to their channel and find that video. Thanks for watching, and good luck.